Hello guys, MT here, and today I'm going to change a spark plug on my Yamaha Majesty 400. For this job I need a new spark plug. It's NGK model CR7E. I need a Phillips head screwdriver and a tubular socket wrench size 16. First open under seat storage area and remove the carpet. And there is a plastic cover. Remove 3 screws that are holding this plastic cover. And now remove the plastic cover. And now you have the access to the engine and to the spark plug. Disconnect the spark plug. And now use tubular socket wrench to remove the spark plug. If you have spark plug wrench, it would be much easier, but I don't have. Actually, I have a 21 millimeter and it doesn't work because the spark plug is deep inside of the engine and the socket is too big, so I use this one. And it's really deep inside. I had to get tweezers to remove the spark plug. It's a little bit harder when you don't have the appropriate tool. And this is the spark plug. It's not the worst one that I saw, but anyway, I need to replace it, and this is how it looks when it's compared to the new one. The difference is obvious. Now put the new one and tighten it. I tighten it with my hand, and at the end I use a screwdriver to tighten it for maybe quarter of a circle, and that should be enough. And then connect it again, and it should be done. Start your engine to test the new spark plug. It sounds good. That is it, guys, and if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button down below the video.